Hello. I received some notice from the county water utility where I live, and I don't have any service with these people, and I responded to them to obtain proof of contract, what gives them the right to bother me with some kind of utility bill when I haven't signed up for their service. I never asked them for any service, but yet they're sending me a bill. And I find it very disturbing that they never responded. My letter was very clear that I was allowing them 30 days to respond, and after 30 days I actually contacted the Board of Supervisors, and then I started watching their videos of their county meeting, and I found out that the township, or the county, I'm not exactly clear, the treasurer stood up and said they were actively seeking $20 million in collections, and they're demanding that I pay these people $18.90 for 1,000 gallons of water. When my home is 300 feet away from any public road, and I would have to cross 200 feet of land that belongs to someone else, whom I'm not even sure who it belongs to even connect to these services. So I'm very disturbed with this. I ended up writing the Board of Supervisors. I sent them a copy of my certified letter demanding proof of contract to allow them people the right to bother me with such nonsense. And I finally got an answer from them, and they're basically saying that everybody within a reasonable distance of their pipeline is required to pay this fee. And then I read on their webpage that the only way that they can pay their bills is to strong-arm the public into paying their bills, and if it was a privately operated company, they'd be filing bankruptcy because they don't have the customer base to support their expansion efforts. So I asked these people to send me documentary evidence that I owe them a penny, and they haven't sent me anything other than a letter with some nonsense about some public ordinance that I have no knowledge of. And it says they contacted all the residents. Well, I bought this home less than a year ago, and the due diligence on the home did not even mention anything about any requirement to connect to any public utility. This property has its own well and sewer. I have no desire to spend $5,000 or $6,000 to connect to the public water, where they can force me to pay for something I don't even want or need. This is the letterhead from the town, and I just find this to be very, very offensive that the public is being forced to enter into a contract that they don't want. That's what I have today.